Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Have you always wanted to do French manicure on your own but never did it, thinking it's too difficult? Well then, you have clicked on the right video. Today, I am going to share 5 easy ways to DIY this beautiful French manicure. So without further ado, let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified of my latest video. French manicures is one of the simplest and world's most loved manicures. But I know it can get difficult because it needs a straight line to be drawn, which can be tricky for some of us. But hey my lovelies, don't you worry. I'm going to share a quick tip further in the video which is completely going to solve this problem. So let's get started with our first DIY method. After I have prepared the nails with the base coat, I start by using the smallest dotting tool. I pick some white polish and start drawing along the smile line of my nail. I am going really slow and drawing the line using the stippling motion. After I have drawn the line, I will straight away pick the nail polish brush and fill in the area towards the edge. For the second method, I am directly going to use the nail polish brush. As you can see, I am trying to hold the brush still while moving my finger from left to right. This simple technique gives me a really clean straight line for the French tip. Then simply go back and apply the second layer for it to look more opaque. Now for the next method, I am going to cut a small piece of a scotch tape and apply it gently along the smile line of my nail. Then simply fill in the uncovered area with the white polish. It is very important to remove the scotch tape while the polish is still wet. Removing the scotch tape when the white polish has dried may pull off some white polish and ruin the French tip. The next method is again really simple and easy. I straight away use the nail polish brush and make some vertical strokes to create the French tip. Don't worry if it doesn't give you the straight line. We will fix this by using a Q-tip dipped in the nail polish remover like so. If you like curved French tips, you can always do so using this method. In the last method, I am simply going to use a toothpick to draw a line along the smile line of my nail. Isn't that wonderful? Who would have thought that we could create a French tip using a toothpick? But hey, I am all about DIYs and here I am creating a French tip using a toothpick. Now before I move on to the next step, I make sure to clean the edges properly. This next step I am going to show will make the biggest difference. If you really want your French manicure to stand out, please get yourself a milky translucent polish like I have here. Just one layer of this polish is going to hide away all that yellowish surface that you might have gotten due to excessive use of nail polishes. And if you are worried that the lines of your French manicure are not as perfect as you wanted, just don't worry, because this one layer of polish is going to fade away all those little imperfections. And as always, the last step is to apply a good quality top coat to extend the life of our French manicure. I really hope, my friends, that the DIY methods shown in this video will make the French manicure so much easier for you. Do let me know in the comment section below which method did you find the easiest. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for more such awesome nail art videos. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!